del r is equals to r bar divided by r, which is equals to, you have to take as r cap. Similarly, you have to prove that del of 1 by r is equals to minus r bar divided by r cap, which is equals to, just you have to take as minus r cap divided by r square. You have to prove that. ये पांचों पार्ट प्रूफ करना है, वन बाय वन प्रूफ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ.
ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಸೌಂಡ್?
Yes ma'am.
ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸೌಂಡ್? अब क्लियर है साउंड?
Yes ma'am. Yes.
अब क्लियर है? हाँ, ओके. Here r bar is equals to, here given data is xi plus yj plus zk. Now finding the values of modulus of r bar. What is modulus of r bar values? Under root of, it is written as x square plus y square plus z square. Now here given data is modulus of r bar is equals to, we are writing as r. Therefore I am writing as here equals to r. Now squaring on both sides, we get r square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square. Now इसको इस तरफ लिख रही हूँ, जस्ट एक मिनट. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ನಾನೇ ತೆಗ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನಾನೇ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೆ. सर r bar is r square is equals to क्या हुआ आप लोगों को? x square plus y square plus z square. Now differentiating with respect x, differentiating with respect to y, and differentiating with respect to z. First differentiating with 2r into r का differentiate, it is becomes dou r divided by dou x, which is equals to, with respect to, we are doing x, therefore it is 2x. 2 cancels, therefore it is becomes dou r by dou x is equals to x by r. Similarly, differentiating with respect to y से differentiate करें तो first r square का differentiate we get as 2r. Again we are r square, r का differentiate we get with respect to y, means it is becomes dou r by dou y, again which is equals to y square differentiate, it is 2y. Therefore dou r divided by 2 cancels, again divided by dou y is equals to y by r. Similarly similarly हम लोग का dou r divided by dou z values, again it is r square differentiate, it is 2r, again into dou r by dou y, which is equals to 2z. Now 2 cancels, therefore dou r divided by dou z is equals to क्या हुआ आप लोगों को? z by r. ये हर एक प्रॉब्लम्स में फिक्स्ड हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट हमारा फर्स्ट वन क्या प्रूफ करना है? देखिए ये तो dou r by dou x is equals to x by r, dou r by dou y is equals to y by r, dou r divided by dou z values z by r. This values is fixed for the all the problems. Next I am going for the just first problem is there, find the values of del r is equals to, you have to prove that r cap बोल के proof करना है. See here first one, first proof कर रही हूँ, del r is equals to del is equals to we know that I into dou u by dou x plus j into dou u by dou y plus k into dou u by dou z into what is r values? Again it is that is r as it is. Now it is equals to, just it is equals to I into dou r divided by dou x अंदर लीजिए plus j into dou r divided by dou y plus k into ये अंदर लीजिए, that is it is becomes dou r divided by dou z, r inside leave. Now it is equals to I as it is, dou by dou x values is x by r. अभी ऊपर फाइंड आउट करें, j is equals to dou r by dou y values is y by r, again k into dou r by dou z values is z by r. Therefore it is becomes del r is equals to, here also 1 by r, 1 by r, 1 by r, take 1 by r is common, left is xi plus yj plus zk. 1 that it is by xi plus yj plus zk becomes. Now it is equals to r bar divided by r. R means it is given that as r means we are taking as a modulus of r bar. Therefore it is modulus of r bar. Now r bar divided by modulus of r bar values is R bar divided by modulus of R bar values is
R cap,
as
ma'am.
it is written as
Cap.
as it is
R
written
cap.
as R cap.
cap.
Therefore first one we are put, that is del R का values क्या proof कर दिए R cap, or it is written as R bar divided by R बोल के भी लिख सकते हैं, or it is also written as R bar divided by R modulus of R bar बोल के भी लिख सकते हैं. Just first one is proved. Any doubt about the first one? Simple. जो लेना है वो proof. Just substituting the values. I am taking the common. We get the result. Any doubt about the first? Any doubt about the first?
No, ma'am.
No doubt? No doubt? Okay. Next second क्या proof करना है देखिए, del of 1 by r. Del of 1 by r का proof करेंगे. Next second one you have to prove for del of 1 by r का values find out करना है. Del of 1 by r is equals to del of 1 by r means, now first I am writing as del values. Del values is I into dou u by dou x, j into dou u by dou y plus k into dou u by dou z into 1 by r as it is. Now 1 by r inside लेती हूँ. I into dou u by dou x of 1 by r plus j into dou u by dou y of 1 by r plus k into dou u by dou z of 1 by r. 1 by r क्या लिए? Inside the लिए. Now differentiate this one. Now I as it is 1 by r का differentiate with 1 by r का differentiate क्या हो जाता है बोलिए? फर्स्ट r का differentiate कर दीजिए. 1 by r का differentiate. Yes. 1 by r का differentiate. Anybody? Yes. 1 by x का differentiate क्या है बोलिए? 1 by x का differentiate.
Minus 1 by x.
Minus 1.
1 by x.
Yes, minus 1 minus 1 by x square. Similarly here first of all we are doing as 1 by r का different 1 divided by r का differentiate minus 1 by r square. Again r का differentiate. First 1 by r. Next किसका कर रही हो? r का differentiate. Now r differentiate it is becomes with respect to x is dou r by dou x. Again plus j as it is. 1 by r का differentiate minus 1 by r square into again r का differentiate it is dou r divided by dou y plus k into again first 1 by r का differentiate 1 by r का differentiate 1 by r square. Again r with respect to z का differentiate it is dou r divided by dou z. Now here also minus 1 by r square 1 by r square 1 by r square. Take minus 1 by r square is common. Simple problem. एक problem जैसे ही पूरा problem से. Now it is left is I into dou r divided by dou x plus j into dou r divided by dou y plus k into dou r divided by dou z. I into dou r by dou x, j into dou r by dou y, k into dou r by dou z, because minus 1 by r square we are taking common. Now it is equals to minus 1 by r square as it is, I as it is. What is dou r by dou x values? What is dou r by dou x values? Calculate करे थे?
X by
कितना
R.
आया था बोलिए?
X by R.
Yes.
X
It
by
is
R.
x by r. Yes, good. It is x by r. J into what is dou r by dou y values? Dou r by dou y का value?
Y by R. Y by R.
Yes, it is y by r. Similarly, dou r by dou z values is z by
Z by
R.
r.
again 1 by r, 1 by r. 1 by r, 1 by r, 1 by r is common. Again it is r square is already there. 1 by r. Now xi plus yj plus zk is left. xi plus yj plus zk is left. Now it is equals to minus 1 by r into r square is it is r cube. xi plus yj plus zk is written as r bar. Just वही proof करना है कि नहीं, check करिए second one. Minus r bar divided by r cube. Therefore it is minus r bar divided by r cube. Otherwise you have to write as r bar divided by r cube is written as r into r square into r. 1 minus 1 by r square as it is. R bar is modulus of r bar. Now it is equals to minus 1 by r square r bar divided by modulus of r means it is written as क्या लिखते हैं आप लोग r cube either write as minus r bar divided by r cube otherwise it is r cube is written as r square into r again r means it is modulus of r again r bar divided by modulus of r values is r cube r cap therefore it is values is r cap divided by r square with minus this is the values of del of 1 by r value that is minus r cap divided by r square. Any doubt about the seconds? Any doubt about the second?
No, ma'am.
Clear? Clear है ना? एक
Ma'am,
मिनट
clear. Yes, ma'am, clear.
है? Okay. थर्ड को जाएंगे? थर्ड प्रॉब्लम को जाएंगे? Okay. Next I am going for third problem. थर्ड क्या है प्रूफ करना है देखिए. थर्ड वन क्वेश्चन में क्या है डेल ऑफ आर रेज टू द पावर ऑफ एन का प्रूफ करना है डेल ऑफ आर रेज टू द पावर ऑफ एन स्केच क्लियर नहीं आ रहा बोल के ये पेन यूज कर डेल ऑफ आर रेज टू द पावर ऑफ एन del of r raised to the power of n means again write the values of del का values I into dou u by dou x plus j into dou u by dou y आप लोगों को मालूम होगा कैसे प्रूफ करना है बोल के k into dou u by dou z नेक्स्ट क्या लिखना r raised to the power of n अब r raised to the power of इनसाइड लीजिए I into dou u by dou x of r raised to the power of n plus j into dou u by dou y of r raised to the power of n plus k into dou u by dou z of r raised to the power of n. Now differentiate this one. Now r raised to I as it is r raised to the power of n का differentiate first कर दीजिए. r raised to the power of n का differentiate क्या है बोलिए? x raised to the power of n का differentiate क्या रहता है? x raised to the power of n का differentiate
N
yes
into x
it is
raised to
because
n minus 1.
yes n into r raised to the power of n minus 1 ये r raised to the power of n का हुआ next again r का differentiate it is becomes dou r divided by dou x plus j into screen clear है ना screen clear है
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
okay j into r raised to the power of n again r raised to the power of n का differentiate n into r raised to the power of n into again dou r by with respect to किसे करना है r का differentiate with respect to y means it is becomes dou r divided by dou y plus k into again r raised to the power of n का differentiate n into r raised to the power of n minus 1 again r का differentiate again it is becomes with respect to z means it is dou r divided by dou z. Now here n into r raised to the power of n n minus 1 n into r raised to the power of n minus 1 n into r raised to the power of n minus 1 n into r raised to the power of n minus 1 take as common. Now left is क्या हो जाता I into dou r divided by dou x plus j into dou r divided by dou y plus k into dou r divided by dou z because this term is taking outside this term is taking outside this term only left is I into dou r by dou x j into dou r divided by dou y k into dou r divided by dou z. Now it is equals to n into r raised to the power of n minus 1 again dou r by dou x values is x by r again j into dou r divided by dou y values is y by r plus k into dou r by dou z values is z by r again क्या कॉमन लेते बोलिए इस कॉमन क्या लेते
1 by r.
कॉमन क्या आ जाता
1 by
1
r,
by r
ma'am.
is 1 by r common is now left is xi plus yj plus zk. Now it is equals to n into r raised to the power of n minus 1 r को ऊपर लेकर जाइए it is becomes r minus 1 r को ऊपर लेकर गए 1 by r is written as r raised to the power of minus 1 again xi plus yj plus zk means it is written as r bar. Therefore base r same means power should be added r raised to the power of n minus 1 therefore it is becomes n minus 2 into r bar. This is the values of del of r raised to the power of n. Third one any doubt वही प्रूफ करना है देखिए
No.
डेल ऑफ आर रेज टू द पावर ऑफ n into r raised to the power of n minus 2 into r bar. Any doubt about the third? Any
No,
doubt
ma'am.
about the
No,
third?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Clear? Okay, next we are going for the fourth one को जाएंगे. Next fourth one देखिए. Fourth one क्या करना है देखिए. Del of f of r is equals to. Del of f of r is equals to ये proof करना है. Here, del of f of r is equals to. Now, first write the again same step. Del लिखना है, f of r लिखना है, बाद में उसको inside लेना है, differentiate करना है, we get the result. Now, del of f of r means, now first I am writing as del values I into dou u by dou x plus j into dou u by dou y plus k into dou u by dou z. क्लियर कट लिखती हुआ हर बार ये लिखते जाती हूँ. into f of r, again f of r को inside लीजिए. I into dou u by dou x of f of r plus j into dou u by dou y of f of r plus k into dou u by dou z of f of r. Now which is equals to I as it is. First f का differentiate. फर्स्ट किसका डिफरेंशिएट करना, f का डिफरेंशिएट करना. f का डिफरेंशिएट क्या हो जाता है, f डैश ऑफ r into again r का डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x means it is becomes dou r divided by dou x. First f is in terms of r is in terms of x, y, z. Therefore, I am doing as first f differentiate it is becomes f dash of r. Again r का differentiate with respect to x means it is dou r by dou x plus j into इधर क्या आ जाता बोलिए, इधर क्या आ जाता बोलिए, j into
F dash of
F dash of
into
r
dou r by
into
dou
dou
y.
u by dou y.
yes dou r divided by dou y.
Dou y.
Similarly k into f का differentiate f dash of r. Again r का differentiate dou r divided by dou z. Now take the common. इस कॉमन क्या लेते बोलिए, आप लोग ही करते जाते. इस कॉमन क्या
F
लेना
dash
बोलिए,
of r.
बट
F
common
dash
is
of r
f
common.
dash of
F dash
F dash of r.
yes. Yes, it is written as f dash of r is common. Now left is I into dou r divided by dou x plus j into dou r divided by dou y plus k into dou r divided by dou z. Now which is equals to again which is equals to f dash of r is equals to I into dou r divided by dou x value is x by r, j into dou r divided by dou y value is y by r, k into dou r divided by dou z values is z by r. Now which is equals to f dash of r as it is. Again taking 1 by r is common. 1 by r is common. Therefore it is becomes xi plus yj plus zk. Again which is equals to f dash of r which is equals to xi plus yj plus zk means it is r bar divided by r. Again which is equals to f dash of r. फर्स्ट में प्रूफ कर दिए, फर्स्ट प्रूफ कर दिए del r is equals to r bar divided by r रहा बोले तो इट कैन बी रिटर्न एज del r बोल के लिखते बोल के रिजल्ट 1 से लिख दिए, इज रिटर्न एज del r फ्रॉम रिजल्ट 1. रिजल्ट 1 में प्रूफ कर दिए, रिजल्ट 1 में प्रूफ कर दिए. इधर प्रूफ करे देखो, del r is equals to either write as r cap or it is written as r bar divided by r. अभी प्रूफ करे थे फर्स्ट वन, वही लिख दिए. दैट इज हियर r bar divided by r था, उसको हम लोग क्या लिख दिए del r. दिस इज द वैल्यूज ऑफ del of f of r. खत्म. एनी डाउट अबाउट द फोर्थ? एनी डाउट
No,
अबाउट द
ma'am.
फोर्थ? क्लियर?
No, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है ना?
No, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सिंपल प्रॉब्लम्स है. नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ वन देखिए, थोड़ा चेंजेस है. फिफ्थ वन देखिए, हमारा क्या प्रूफ करना है, del ऑफ f ऑफ r क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ r इज इक्वल टू 0 बोल के प्रूफ करना है. हियर जस्ट del ऑफ f ऑफ r क्रॉस r इज इक्वल टू, अब भी करते हम लोग del ऑफ f ऑफ r का वैल्यूज, दैट इज इट इज रिटर्न एज f दैट इज इधर r बार लीजिए, not r, it is taken as r bar. Del of f of r cross r bar is equals to cross product. ना अभी प्रूफ करे थे डेल ऑफ एफ ऑफ आर इज इक्वल टू क्या है आंसर आर एफ डैश ऑफ आर डिवाइडेड बाय आर बार डिवाइडेड बाय आर बोल के आया से जस्ट वही लिख रही हूँ डेल ऑफ एफ वन सेकेंड करते नहीं बेटे जस्ट इट इज रिटन एज एफ डैश ऑफ आर इंटू आर बार डिवाइडेड बाय आर अगेन दिस क्रॉस विथ आर बार now this will be f of r now f dash of r divided by r which is equals to r cross r bar always two elements are same in the cross product just here आप लोग क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करते थे अगर फॉर एग्जांपल i j k x y z r cross r values r bar cross r bar values r means xi plus yj plus zk क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट डिटर्मिनेंट में करते थे नाउ आई जे के एक्स आई का फर्स्ट टर्म्स एक्स वाई जेड अगेन एक्स अगेन आर बार मीन्स सेम टर्म्स एक्स वाई जेड इफ टू रोस आर सेम आर क्रॉस आर वैल्यूज कैसे फाइंड करते हैं जस्ट इट इज रिटन एज आई जे के क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आर क्रॉस अलग रावल इट इज रिटन एज that is x y z I term j term k terms again r cross again I terms is x j terms is y z terms is k therefore two rows are same its values is two rows are same then its values
Zero,
is
ma'am. Zero.
zero therefore it is r cross f dash of r divided by r its r cross r values is 0 into anything is 0 therefore इधर लिखिए r cross 0 therefore del of f of r cross r bar is equal to 0 this is the value of that one any doubt about proving all five any doubt about the I doubt five क्लियर करने में डॉट है जस्ट हम लोग को ये करना है सिंपल स्क्वायर करना है डो आर बाय डो एक्स डो आर बाय डो वाई डो आर बाय जेड हम लोग को क्या करना है वो डेल ऑफ आर डेल लेना आर लेना अंदर लेकर ना डिफरेंशिएट करना वन बाय आर लेना डिफरेंशिएट करना अंदर लेकर अगेन आर एस टू द पावर ऑफ एन लेना इनसाइड लेकर डिफरेंशिएट करना सिमिलरली दिस वन दैट इज द अबाउट द theorem about this theorem it will be important theorems any doubt about this theorem any doubt about this theorem no doubt
No, ma'am.
no doubt
No
उसके
doubt,
ऊपर एक
ma'am.
प्रॉब्लम जाएंगे ओके
Yes, ma'am.
आप लोग एक प्रॉब्लम जाएंगे नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल को जा रही हूँ थोड़ा यूज करते पेन example screen and sound आ रहा है if r bar is equals to screen and sound clear आ गए screen and sound
Yes, ma'am.
clear आ गए okay see our next example if r bar is equals to xi plus yj plus zk such that mod of r is equals to or mod of r bar is equals to r then find first one मैं एक ही में क्वेश्चन डाल देती हूँ find first one grade of log of e square second one grade of एक्सरसाइज एंड सॉल्व दोनों करा रही हूँ बुक में से एक्सरसाइज भी कंप्लीट होता है सॉल्व भी कंप्लीट होता है दैट इज नेक्स्ट वन इज लॉग ऑफ ग्रेड मीन्स डेल ग्रेड ऑफ लॉग ऑफ आर का वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करना है ये दो प्रॉब्लम्स करना है ये आर स्क्वायर लॉग ऑफ आर स्क्वायर सॉरी log of r square. See here, solutions. Same here, given data r bar is equals to xi plus yj. ये हर एक प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए फिक्स्ड, हमारा 50% सिलेबस इधर ही कंप्लीट हो जाता है, इसके ऊपर ही है हमारा. ओके, here r bar is equals to xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore again modulus of r bar is equals to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Again we have to take as x square plus y square plus z square means you have to take as r again, which is therefore r square is equals to squaring on both sides, therefore it is becomes x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiating with respect to x, therefore ये हर बार हो रहा बोल के स्पीड कर रही हूँ. r square values is 2r into dou r by dou x, which is equals to again x square का differentiate 2x, therefore 2 cancels, therefore dou r divided by dou x values is x by r. Similarly with respect to y से करें तो 2r into dou r divided by dou y is equals to क्या हो जाता है y by y 2y sorry 2 cancels, again dou r divided by dou y values is y by r. Again z से डिफरेंशिएट करिए, r square का डिफरेंशिएट is 2r into dou r divided by dou z, which is equals to again z का डिफरेंशिएट it is 2z, again 2 cancel, therefore dou r divided by dou z is equals to z by r. therefore ये तो हो गए हमारा dou r dou x dou r dou y. अब फर्स्ट वन लेंगे, ये फिक्स्ड फॉर हर एवरी प्रॉब्लम्स, इतना हर एक प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए फिक्स्ड है. प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए नेक्स्ट देखिए, फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम्स ग्रेड ऑफ log of r square. ग्रेड मीन्स इट इज डेल ऑफ log of r square का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. यस, नाउ इट इज इक्वल्स टू फर्स्ट डेल का वैल्यू लिखेंगे प्लस 2 log r करते sound clear है? Hello students,
Yes, ma'am.
clear or not? Sound clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Again I into इसको inside लीजिए, dou u by dou x of log of r square plus j into dou u by dou y of log of r square plus k into dou u by dou z of log of r square. Now which is equals to I into, इधर नहीं पकड़ता बोल के नेक्स्ट पेज में कर रही हूँ, इधर नहीं पकड़ता बोल के. Now first I into dou u by dou x of dou u by dou x, फर्स्ट log का डिफरेंशिएट क्या आ जाता बोलिए, log का डिफरेंशिएट एस log का डिफरेंशिएट
1 by
R square.
यस, log का डिफरेंशिएट इधर जो टर्म्स है फर्स्ट log का करना, बाद में r स्क्वायर का करना, बाद में r का करना. जिस फर्स्ट log का करना, बाद में r स्क्वायर का करना, अगेन r का विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x है, फर्स्ट log का कर रही हूँ. log का डिफरेंशिएट इज 1 by r स्क्वायर, अगेन r स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएट इज 2r, अगेन r का डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x मींस इट इज बिकम्स dou r divided by dou x, अगेन प्लस j as it is. Again see here differentiating, again r square का log का differentiate, log का differentiate is 1 by r square, log का 1 by r square, again r square का differentiate is 2r into again y का differentiate it is becomes dou r divided by dou y plus k into again log का differentiate, similarly log का differentiate 1 by r square, again r square का differentiate 2r, again z का differentiate with respect to that one is dou r divided by dou z, that is one r is cancels, one r is cancels, one r is cancels, therefore common क्या आता देखिए, one r is cancel, क्या common आता बोलिए,
2 by r. 2 by r.
yes, take 2 by r is common, 2 by r is common means it is left is I into dou r divided by dou x plus j into dou r divided by dou y plus k into dou r divided by dou z. Now which is equals to 2 by r as it is. Again I into dou r divided by dou x values is again it is x by r. ये तो हर प्रॉब्लम में फिक्स है. j into dou r divided by dou y values is y by r. K into dou r divided by dou z values is z by r. Again take as 1 by r is common. 1 by r is common. Now left is terms is xi plus yj plus zk. Now which is equals to 2 divided by r into r is r square. Xi plus yj plus zk means it is becomes r bar. Otherwise you have to write as, ऐसे भी लिख सकते, इतना आंसर लिखे तो भी करेक्ट है. अदरवाइज और मोर सिंप्लीफाई करना है तो 2 divided by r into r bar divided by r square is written as r into r. Again it is written as 2 by r into r bar divided by r is written as modulus of r bar. Now which is equals to 2 by r into r bar divided by r means it is written as r cap. Either this one right, either this one right, or sometime ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं r bar divided by r. r bar divided by r means it is 2 by r as it is. r bar divided by r एक थ्योरम से मैं प्रूफ कर दिया, it is del r. अभी प्रूफ करें, which is written as del r. Anyone how to write it? It is about the first problems. Any doubt about the first problem? Any doubt about the first problem? Any doubt about the first problem?
Clear, ma'am. No, ma'am. No. Clear, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. Go for the second problem. Grade of log of r. ये तो आप लोग ही करते, मेरे को बताने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, जस्ट बता रही हूँ. ग्रेड आप लोग हिंट देते जाना. अब ग्रेड ऑफ लॉग ऑफ आर. ग्रेड ऑफ लॉग ऑफ आर मीन्स ग्रेड वैल्यू से हम लोग क्या लिख रहे हैं, डेल ऑफ log of r. Again which is equals to del values I am writing as I into dou u by dou x plus j into dou u by dou y plus k into dou u by dou z into just it is logger. Again logger inside लीजिए. सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम कर रही देखो, फर्स्ट वन r स्क्वायर था, सेकेंड वन r है, जस्ट स्मॉल डिफरेंस है. एक्सरसाइज एक प्रॉब्लम एक्सरसाइज का है, एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व का है. दोनों प्रॉब्लम्स करा रही हूँ मैं, एक्सरसाइज एंड सॉल्व पूरा प्रॉब्लम्स करा रही हूँ.
Okay, ma'am.
मानते स्वामी बुक का पूरा प्रॉब्लम्स करा रही हूँ. पहले भी पूरा प्रॉब्लम्स हुआ था, होमवर्क प्लस आप लोगों को गिवन होमवर्क प्लस ये प्रॉब्लम करे तो पूरा प्रॉब्लम्स आप लोगों का हो जाता है. नाउ हियर आई इंटू डो यू बाय डो एक्स ऑफ लॉग ऑफ आर प्लस j into dou u by dou y of log of r plus k into dou u by dou z of log of r. Again which is equals to, आप लोग ही बोल दीजिए अब. आप लोग ही बोल दीजिए आगे.
1 by x, 1 by r.
1 by r, yes right. 1 by r into,
Dou r by dou x.
yes right, it is dou r divided by dou x. Here log का differentiate is 1 by r. Again r का differentiate is dou r by dou x. Again next term is j के लिए भी ऐसे ही 1 by r into it is becomes dou r divided by dou y plus k into 1 by r into dou r divided by dou z. Now which is equals to again 1 by r, 1 by r, 1 by r commons. I into dou r divided by dou x, it is written as x by r. Plus j into 1 by r तो outside है, dou r by dou y value is y by r. Again k into it is written as z by r. Again 1 by r is common. 1 by r into 1 by r again common. It is becomes xi plus yj plus zk. Now which is equals to 1 by r, 1 by r, that is 1 by r square. Xi plus 1 yj plus zk it is written as r bar. That is your problem. अदरवाइज आप लोग अगेन आप लोग आर कैप में लिख सकते हैं, इतना भी लिख सकते हैं और आर कैप में भी लिख सकते हैं. एनी डाउट अबाउट दिस प्रॉब्लम?
No, ma'am.
एनी
No,
डाउट
ma'am.
अबाउट दिस प्रॉब्लम?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Clear about this theorem and these two problems?
हाँ ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It
Clear?
is clear. Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. Next problem को जाएंगे? Yes. Okay. We move for next problems. Okay. Share. Next problem को जा रही हूँ. एक मिनट, पेपर सीधा रख लेते हो. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम को जाएंगे. इफ नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, if phi of x comma y comma z is equals to given data x square plus y square plus z square. ये थोड़ा हटके है, देखो एक मिनट. So again into e raised to the power of minus x square plus y square plus z square raised to the power of 1 by 2. Then find del phi and modulus of del phi. Just एक मिनट ठहरिए, 1 minute. ओके, एक मिनट ठहरिए. ये प्रॉब्लम्स को ट्राई कर सकते हैं घर में. इतना ही हिंट देती हूँ, मैं हिंट देती हूँ, आप लोग ट्राई करिए. अगर नहीं आए तो मैं कर देती हूँ. ओके, हेलो स्टूडेंट्स.
Okay ma'am.
साउंड सुनाई दे? मैं हिंट देती हूँ. जस्ट हियर गिवन डाटास वी नो दैट r bar is equals to, we know that is xi plus yj plus zk. Again modulus of r bar is equals to, we know that under root of xx, that is x square plus y square plus z square, which is written as r बोल के बोले थे. Now r square is equals to, r square is equals to क्या हुआ? x square plus y square plus z square. Now here substituting, just otherwise you have to write r is equals to x square plus y square plus z square. Substituting therefore phi is equals to x square plus y square plus z square, means it is r square into again e raised to the power of minus x square plus y square plus z square, means it is r square raised to the
Ma'am,
power of
screen
1 by 2.
ಕಾಣತಿಲ್ರಿ.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಸೇರ್ r bar is equals to, ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? अब क्लियर है? अब क्लियर है?
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ.
मैं सेंड कर देती हूँ आप लोगों को पिक. आप लोग करना इसका हिंट लेकर. जस्ट 2 कैंसल्स. phi is equals to r square into e raised to the power of minus, that is it is written as r. Just it is you have to find del phi, means del of r square into e raised to the power of minus r का वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करना. जस्ट ट्राई करते हैं आप लोग. मैं पिक सेंड करती हूँ आपको. ट्राई करते हैं.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
नहीं,
ma'am. We will try.
जस्ट u into v फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना. जस्ट टेक द कॉमन. ओके, ट्राई करिए. अगर नहीं आए तो अगेन मैं कल बताती हूँ आप लोगों को. जस्ट आप लोगों को कितना समझ में आया बोल के मालूम होता है इससे. ओके, Just del of
Okay,
phi
ma'am.
means del of r square into e raised to the power of just del differentiate करते वक्त u into v formula apply करना. First function as it is, differentiate of second function, differentiate of second function, first function as it is रखकर differentiate of second function, again plus second function as it is, differentiate of first function. Try करते हैं आप लोग, try करते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. कल ओके कल ये टीचमेंट आपके ऊपर स्क्रीन क्लियर दिख रहा है? ये आपके ऊपर क्लियर दिख रहा है स्क्रीन?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
यही आप
yes.
यूज ओके जूम के बदले में यही आप यूज करेंगे. ओके कल हुआ तो कल लेते हो, नहीं तो फ्राइडे से. कल हुआ तो कल क्लास लेते हो, नहीं तो एज यूजुअल मंडे तो क्लास है हमारा. फ्राइडे सैटरडे पॉसिबल हुआ तो सैटरडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे क्लास लेती हूँ. बिफोर 1 आवर इंफॉर्मेशन देती हूँ आप लोगों को. ओके
Okay,
1 डे
ma'am.
बिफोर इंफॉर्मेशन देती हूँ. ये ट्राई करिए, तब तक मैं नोट्स भी सेंड कर देती हूँ आप लोगों को पीडीएफ बनाकर. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ ओके. नाउ कैन आई लीव द क्लास? इवन आप लोगों को रिकॉर्डिंग ऑप्शन रखी हो, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑप्शन रखिए बोले तो कभी भी सुन सकते हैं आप लोग. बाद में कुछ तो डाउट रहे तो देख सकते. यही आपके अंदर ही रहता है, देखो. ओके नाउ कैन आई लीव द क्लास?
Yes,
कैन आई
ma'am.
एंड द क्लास?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
bye.
Okay, ma'am.